Content is the king. It is the greatest truth of our time. So here I am with my 7-step process that will help you write great content that you can use to market your products or services or information you have. So hey guys, this is Naveen and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things, and we provide you with the tools to help you achieve that. So without delay, let's get started. So writing content is a very messy task. You don't have the sitting hours, you don't have the content, you don't have a process to produce your content on a regular basis. You can use my 7-step process. It has provided me with a great output every time I use it. So let's dive straight into the process itself. So the first step is to create the blog outline. Before you write anything, you must have a basic idea of how the blog will go. The basic headings, the basic questions, the basic things that you will talk about in the blog. Create that blog headline first. It is not just limited to the blogging stuff. You can also use this outline method in video content creation, in audio content creation. This is the step that every content creator uses to keep him on track, while also providing him with the flexibility so that he can create content creatively. So first, what you must do is create a blog outline about how the flow will be, and what are the things that you will talk about, the questions that you will address in the video. Now the next thing is prepare your first draft. Now you have created your outline. You must sit down and do whatever is required for you to get into the state of writing, and start writing stuff. Start creating the first draft. One thing to remember here is don't aim for perfection. It is your first draft, and improvements will definitely be made into the video. So you cannot aim for perfection in the first draft itself. This is the time for flowing the process, for getting the creative ideas out, for just going with the flow. So you must prepare your first draft. Thirdly, you must you have prepared the content, the article. Now it is time to edit the first draft for grammatical errors. Just go through the first draft and see if there is any grammatical errors. You can also use some online tools like Grammarly or anything else to edit it for Grammarly mistakes and other simple things. Now your draft is made. Now it is time to add the design elements. You can add a photo, you can add an audio, or you can add a video into the article itself. So add these design elements in this stage, and the final stage for the preparation of the content is proofreading. You have prepared the whole concept, the whole outline of the article. Now read it once again to find the things you have missed, the things you wanted to talk about but didn't. You can also find the things that are wrongly said in the content, or any other thing you wanted to add in the content that you aimed for before writing down the content. You can do that at this stage and make improvements on those areas. And now it is time to add some content that will make it relevant to the search engines. The point of your content, the value of your content is being helpful to the public, and they will not be helpful to the right audience if they are not being served to the right audience at the right time. How can that be made possible? This is through the use of search engines. If your article is optimized for the search engines, it will be available to the relevant audience. So make sure you add the on page SEO elements at this stage. I will not go deeper into this on page SEO thing because it is a topic of another video. So you must prepare things that are in relevance with the on page SEO. Now your blog post is ready. The seventh and final step is to actually publish it wherever you want to publish it. I have used this process over and over many times in the past few years, and it has given me great results. Whenever I have not used the process, either I don't actually start the writing the process, or I write a bad article and that demoralizes me to even write anything else for some time. So this is the process you can use to write great content. So this is all. I hope I provided you with the tool to help you create great content and make powerful change in your life as well as the life of others. So with that, I take a leave. Thank you.